Raindrops fall on empty streets. Footsteps fade where we used to meet. Every window holds a glow, but I'm the one who can't let go. Your voice still dances in the air, like a song that isn't there. I hear you call my name again. Echoes in the rain. Echoes in the rain, calling me home, whispering words from a love long gone. Every drop reminds me again you're still here and in the rain. Streetlights blur through tears of glass. Moments fade, but the feeling lasts. I walk alone through neon veins, dreaming you'll return again. Silence hums a melancholy tone. City beats, but I'm alone. Your echo drifts across the lane. Echoes in the rain, calling me home, whispering words from a love long gone. Every drop reminds me again you're still here in the rain. Echoes in the rain, fading away, but your memory seems to stay. Echoes in the rain, once again you return with the rain. Rain falls and the city breathes.